Have you ever wondered how you're able to find your way around your house or city? Or how you know the route to work or church? Well, it just so happens that you have a GPS in your brain. And I do not mean that figuratively. Researchers found that a group of cells in your hippocampus, the part of the brain where memory is formed, act as a GPS. This special group of cells are responsible for storing your location and direction of movement. When they looked for these cells in animals, they found that each of these cells turn on when the animals pass through a specific place in its environment. So they call them place cells. Simple name really. This means there's a group of cells that turn on when you exit your house, and a different group when you take the first left at the junction. As you keep moving through the city, the groups keep changing, and just like a GPS, you are able to tell exactly where you are on your own internal map in your brain.